let's meet up with Yare, who found her campus family and discovered her on-air talents through Harper's FM radio station, WHCM. She's gonna tell us all about the award-winning radio station and give you a sneak peek into the hands-on learning opportunities available right here on campus. Yare, the mic is all yours.
Hey everyone, thanks Alex. My name is Yarixa, but you can call me Yare. I chose Harper because it offers lots of supports for students. I became involved with Harper Radio as soon as I learned the college had a campus radio station. I started my show called the YASMR radio show. I brought in two amazing co-hosts. Their names are Gwen and Jordan, two of my good friends here at Harper. Harper Radio participated in the IBS Student Media Awards, a national competition in New York. My show was nominated for Best Foreign Language Show and made it into the top 5. Harper Radio also took home the award for Best Community College Radio Station in the nation. I am so proud to be a part of this amazing team. We treat each other like family and Harper's home to us. I plan on getting my bachelor's degree with the goal of becoming a nationally known radio host or working for a Spanish new TV station. With the help of my family and friends and my supportive husband and the amazing staff and teachers I have had over the past semesters, I have become a better person, a better student, and a better listener. Taking speech classes, reading biographies from amazing writers, and learning history has helped me understand the world better and will help me pursue my dreams and goals. Thanks to all my supporters and to Harper for the opportunity to become one of your students pursuing my journalism career. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Yare. It's so awesome to see how you can take your personal passion and turn them into an award-winning show here at Harper. The opportunities here are truly endless. I wish you the best of luck in your future journalism career, and we'll keep an eye and ear out for you on the airways. Take care.